Chairman. Akwaba.
Yes, my boss.
Odan CTC TV the American Biano of Anissa Odan for Najatum Ter Party what I say Wajatum Ter Party Ajatum Odan for Timudi Monti Tum City TV COMOAKU City TV work I want a place mission Blaster place no Ghana local place no all will be a City TV work City na Keko Boa.
Chairman. Akwaba.
Thank you very much.
Okay, drink. I'm not going to watch. What for you? I'm saying Saturday, I'm saying I saw one back on mine. Right. I'm going to fire you. It's sound.
shall win. Wontumi to save Ghana.
Oh, the elephant.
The elephant. And when they say, Wontumi, we shall win to save Ghana.
That's what Santa Mountain by all the 47 constituencies. As I cast a talk of one in the way and to be very sad as a Santi National. The year dance here in the year 2016. The multiple as a regional chairman. Vote a year for Emma and another Dr. Kufuor, ever your president of the Republic of Ghana. In the history of this country, 1 million votes difference and Ghana. And we to be paid this one in this one for regional chairman. Party at this year was Santi Mountain said baby. I appear for what you propose to pass on the idea. And when you think why you'll be able to contest and to go all of us. The presence for unity will be a pre-previous from Kosiaga or Sandy Kone. And until the issue of Ashanti region, he is the only constituent and also the presence of the issue. Tomorrow. And I look at the human party, who buy a party for all the regional chairmen, or in the young team. Make sure I have the appetite chairman, the science and data man. The answer your problem to something. So easy regional executive Musorio, easy regional executive Musorio, easy regional executive Musorio, the team and the member from this matter, the president, and the president, and he was in the
If you say my best, you won't have to Sophie. You said, and you won't have to at the Sredia, we bet you when you know. Then young and when young when I'm so, I'm a man, I'm a young national the regional secretary, I will say the regional chairman, regional executives, and yeah, constituency chairman for opinion out that one, and the constituency executives for party man, when you go for mission. At the end, I'm a United States political party. You did fear nine and you did 2 in the morning and that pen at 2 political party, a piano, yet in the sun. You better be the unknown so. Now, yet be the aquacoaching to me. And the piano, near power. And yet 2024 year, 2026 year, you power. I bring your power near the power here. Come Roma, sorry. What's the name of sweetie? Yammy food sweetie. Say your power. Yɛni yɛnuanom ne yɛyɛ adwuma no. Sɛ yɛbɛboa ma yɛnua bi atumi anya position wɔ government mu no. Yɛsi daabi. Yɛbɛba akɔfa obi firi baabi ane yɛde nama. Yɛto aba ne wie pɛ ne yɛnu so pa a afei yɛwu wɔ mu bio. Na party no ababɛyɛ federal executive secretary. Na ababɛyɛ constituency chairman for the year. Ababɛyɛ federal executive constituency executive secretary. Eduru baabi a sɛ obi mpo frɛ wo sɛ bra na bra wɔnyɛ yie bra asɔre na bra bɛhyia mu bra obi yare na bra bɛsra no a sɛdeɛ bɛnto asɛ pa etire aduonu nkyɛmu aduasa ɛti sɛ nipa de kaa sɛ on the 20th ɛna saa dwuma deɛ wei kɔ so a osisi saa da wei deɛ metu kwan kakra bi enti ma memmɔ kyerɛ ma amanneɛ hwɛ ɛyɛ saa so a ma menkɔbɔ secretary amanneɛ a na yɛnhwɛ sɛ wɔbɛtumi apa ɛyɛ mfomsoɔ but ebi nsi bio obiara ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛnya position ɛyɛ 2029 bia ɔmmra abɛka mo constituencies no hɔ na mo ne wɔn nyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ mo pool electoral area ne polling stations no na abatoɔ no nyɛ kɛseɛ wɔ hɔ na saa appointment tɛntɛn a yɛ president Bawumia neighbor then they can be in charge. So yes, sir, that's the national chairman. That's the one that you want. And if you want to say party in our executive for you. And through East Africa, I saw the beer for the Good Friday, and see, was the being for so I can't go so many, and then I watch me and son. Now also so bro that can see another so swap. Yeah, Frau Pa, oh, what is say? What is so be able to pay? Now we must. O police station, we let her area coordinators say Frau Pa, now we must. Media name is someone, my young constituency executive. A premier no so the out to abadi amami as a constituency chairman. It's been the more minimum money and the name regional executives. It's regional executives so almost how so meaning that's in a way number him as a national chairman. I'm going to strengthen the constituency executive to make sure they work hard and make sure that listen, regional executives, they do me about the money. I just said you be free and you are back. I will put a woman on the prayer. Be a piano, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm now, one of the questions was for that dream. Every second, I am one of the constituency. I don't want to police station in the area for the women somewhere. It's a thing. And now, so we are national chairman, and I will take time. Me, national chairman of our brand, Metran. My contract, our brand, the general secretary. What friend said, chairman, I do a brand. I was a free meeting. I don't get another general article 10+5. to call the steering committee, to call the NEC and the National Council. Then I call. And during the elections like this, election processes is one. And also the base and the articles one, Article 18, Article 3, Article 7 plus 27, and other additional articles, I am probably a part of the international and that's an idea. Media national chairman. Men move forward by the regional party presidency. I better than the problem, say, I better than the constituency, I better than the only problems. And see, I'm going to be a working national chairman. Whereby our wages will take me to the constituencies. Then we are coming to settle the problems in the constituencies. Then the winner 2028 is coming. It's a tactic. Maybe every constituency, not regional chairman. Ashanti region, every 1992, I'm a permanent. Make 1 minute constituency chairman. Minya appointment Munyam, and then any parliament Munyam, as a delegate, then Munyam, near the regional chairman. Maybe regional chairman. Wouldn't say people here, the Diano or the coalition. Any parliament, any coalition, any parliament. I am deputy minister to Nana Wodakwa. Now, any part or no deputy attorney general. Now, we no ever coalitions. No question said because school of prep college. But we hear still the certificate in National Prep. Let me open it to them. Wapako radio for no my friend. Honorable Secretary. Lucas said, "Go fight over India." Anna, your bad is your swap a paper. Obi a lawyer. Now, we're deputy attorney general. I've your way. I was here about a year program. I will radio so. Now, you've been for the bay. I want to be Jesus about. Time to do no my friend, Mr. Now, what's our friend you so in a word? I'm a friend of you, and I'm saying, I'll be over. And then you come and the phone. Maybe I will pass a little bit fun. And constituency chairman, my dear you. Obia could be MP 60 years. When you're deputy attorney general, that's why a deputy minister. We'll see. Many members now. I'm a camera. And I'm saying, Asano, Wontumi. You know, sometimes when we talk about leadership, some people misunderstood. They take it that if you want to be a leader, you should have a certain titles and a certain portfolio and also live in a certain and live in a certain and no. And I told them no. My dear executives, if we want to win We need people who have been built themselves for the 2028. And I can assure you, sir, among all of them, Wontumi, I'm ready for the battle ahead of us. I'm ready. I'm ready for the battle, and I'll put for the battle ahead of us. It's not about English. The American was said, people like us, they are bread. Your bread is certificate. Your bread. Your bread. I'm the only regional chairman. I'm not going to be asked that my name is appointed. But then, Musha pays in them. The leadership is not for the people who are living in their comfort zone, but for the people who are in pain and they build the system from the base. Yahweh is not national. Yatimia Ufu, after all the 50, it's a record of 15 regions. 15 regions. One man no more complain. Where are they? I'm moving. You cannot satisfy all, but you have to satisfy men. That is politics. After you are satisfied, the two of them are this guy, and the other senior, and the senior is after the national this guy, a Piscania Aqua to about the Muslim. The camp of 4 women, Cacasia, meet me more deal, better than control. And I'm so good to walk to a back, they will sleep. And I'm Tamale, yes, 2014, yes. Skakasiano, I am going to be here. After that, I got 12 years. I got 12 and I said, yeah, 12 years and tell you, you're national chairman. And I said, 2016, you need national chairman. You need general secretary. You need second vice. It's about, about the regional chairman for so, and I see constituency for so, and I see executive council to the electoral area to the police station level.